You make snowballs.
It's a snowball. He licks the snowball on the floor. Is that cold?
Wow.
It's a ball made out of snow.
He's having trouble. There you go. You got it.
Snowball.
Throw it at Daddy.
You throw snowballs. Throw snowballs.
We're gonna go to the
You
back.
go get Auntie Brenda.
You got a snowball! Snowball! That's a catcher. Oh!
Go throw it at Aunt Brenda.
Snowball!
You're lucky my aim is terrible.
You're lucky mine's terrible.
Yay!
Snowball.
Get him! Oh.
Boom!
No. It's just too perfect to throw.
Oh no, this is lumpy. I couldn't get this smoothed out. The surface is a little too hard to smooth it out.
Save it, baby.
Go get Auntie Brenda.
You got a snowball? Are you gonna get me? Are you gonna get me? No! Here, try again. Throw it! Throw it!
Ah!
That was a good throw. I'll give you a boost. It's very hard to be in this outfit.